Crispy, healthy family meals. Fast. One appliance does it all. Busy weeknight? Replace oven, fryer, toaster with one device. Meet Cosori TurboBlaze 9-in-1 air fryer, 6-quart capacity. Sleek matte black square design fits modern kitchens instantly. Ideal for families, apartment dwellers, and health-conscious home cooks. Imagine crispy fries, roast chicken, and reheated leftovers perfected. Prep set, walk away, consistent cooking without constant monitoring. 9 cooking functions replace 9 separate appliances effortlessly. Air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen. Proof, reheat, keep warm. Precise temperature range from 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide range handles delicate proofs and high heat searing. 1700W rapid turbo convection for faster, crispier results every time. 5 adjustable fan speeds for tailored airflow and texture control. Precision heating eliminates cold spots found in older models. Premium ceramic coating on basket and crisper plate ensures easy cleanup. Non-stick, scratch-resistant finish supports healthier low-oil cooking and durability. Roomy 6-quart square basket fits a 4-pound chicken easily. Also fits 20 wings, 6 pizza slices, or large steaks. Auto pause when basket lifted. Auto start when reinserted for safety. LED touchscreen with one-touch presets simplifies everyday cooking decisions. Shake reminder ensures even browning for fries and nuggets. Ultra-quiet operation. 27 to 53 decibels. Ideal for late nights. Dishwasher-safe basket and accessories make cleanup quick and painless. Included 50-plus recipe cookbook jumpstarts meal ideas and confidence. Technical strength. Consistent heating across the whole basket for evenness. TurboBlaze modes and max fan speed reduce cook times dramatically. Example: shrimp 6 minutes, fries 8 minutes, faster dinners nightly. 5 fan speeds optimize crispness without over-drying delicate foods. Wide temperature control handles delicate baking and high-heat broiling. Perfect for meal prep, consistent batches, reusable containers, and time-saving. Small footprint. Space-saving 11.8 by 14.4 inches fits counters. Great for apartments, RVs, dorms, and compact kitchens, too. Retailers. Attractive accessory potential with ceramic basket replacement SKUs. Practical everyday benefits. Healthier meals with up to 90% less oil. Perfectly golden textures without greasy results or long preheating. Real-life transformation. Family dinners faster, cleaner, and healthier nightly. Save time on cleanup, spend more time with the loved ones. Meal prep becomes consistent, no more unevenly cooked batches. Late-night snacks are possible quietly and without odor buildup. Safe features plus auto start and auto pause reduce user anxiety. Quiet operation makes it ideal for apartment, baby, or study spaces. Beautifully designed counterpiece, not just a hidden appliance. Accessories included and available separately keep customers returning often. Energy efficient compared to full oven use for small meals. Use less electricity, cook faster, and reduce food waste. Practical tips: spray lightly with oil for extra crispness. Shake basket midway for even browning on all sides. Preheating optional for many recipes thanks to rapid heating. Ideal for reheating, retains crunch and avoids soggy, limp leftovers. Perfect for busy families. Fast, consistent, and healthier meals. Comparison note: replaces fryers, toasters, small ovens, and dehydrators. Great gift for graduates, new homeowners, and young families. Final encouragement: upgrade kitchen efficiency without sacrificing flavor today. Strong CTA. Try the Cosori TurboBlaze and taste the difference. Shop now for limited offers, bundles, and accessory sets. Make weeknights easier. Invest in consistent, healthier home cooking today. Follow for recipes, tips, and exclusive TurboBlaze hacks weekly. Ready to crisp smarter? Click buy and start cooking better.